So now we know how to find the HCF. Another thing we have least common multiple, right? So by the prime factorization method, we can also find the LCM, the least common multiple. So in today's class, we are going to discuss this LCM by prime factorization method. I will give you a lot of examples. Just focus on the board and as usual, keep listening to me very carefully. Thank you so much. Thanks for your cooperation. Yeah, I am very happy. Yes. So look onto the board and listen to what I am saying. How to find the LCM by prime factorization method. In order to find the LCM of two or more given numbers, we write the prime factorization of each of the given numbers. Then the required LCM of these numbers is the product of all the different prime factors of the numbers using the greatest power of each of the common prime factor. See the example on the top left. I have written LCM of 4 and 6. So we have to see the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28. And multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. You can easily see the common multiples are 12, 24, 36 and so on. But the least common multiple is 12. So we say that the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. That is, the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. Now see the second example. The question is find the LCM of 24, 36 and 40. We follow the same procedure for the prime factorization as we did in the HCF. So we take the prime factorization individually for 24, for 36 and 40. Then finally we see that 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which means 2 3 times, that is 2 cube into 3. For 36 we have 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 36 is equal to 2 square into 3 square. Next we have 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, that is 40 is equal to 2 cube into 5. Now here we write all the prime factors and we give the power the greatest power. So we can have the LCM of 24, 36 and 40 written as 2 cube into 3 square into 5. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, which comes out to be 360. So the LCM of 24, 36 and 40 is equal to 360. Now see the last question. Find the LCM of 112, 168 and 266 by prime factorization method. Same way we proceed, we find the prime factors of 112, 168 and 266 separately. We find that 112 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, that is 2 power 4 into 7. For 168 we have 168 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, that is 2 cube into 3 into 7. And we have 266 is equal to 2 into 7 into 19. So we write all the factors 2 into 3 into 7 into 19, and we see that the common factor 2 has the highest power as 4. So the LCM will be written as 2 power 4 into 3 into 7 into 19, right? So the final answer is 6384. So I hope the process is very clear, right? Just write down all the prime factors and give the greatest power to the common factor and multiply them. You get the final LCM of the given numbers. Thank you class. Have a nice time. Keep revising. Keep revising. Thank you. Goodbye. Love you all.